So guys, I was here mounting this RTX 4070 Ti Gigabyte Aero in this full high-tech build, and the GPU sags, so it stays all the way down. So how do you mount the standoffs to prevent sag on your Gigabyte GPU? And well, this works for every GPU really with a standoff. Well, let's get straight into it. Okay, so how this works is basically you have the standoff here and it should go on the motherboard. Okay, but by elevating this screw. So the first step is gonna be to remove your screw on the motherboard. So this is one. This is two. Now, once you've done this, you wanna get the standoffs that they give it to you, and you wanna put them here in place of the screws. So they also give you some washers, so you can avoid damaging your motherboard. Just put the washers in, and now you go there, and you just place the standoff as if it was a motherboard screw. We will do it on both sides. Right there. So now you want to actually place the standoff on top of it, and as you can see, it will not interfere with the rest of your motherboard. And then here you want to actually screw them in. So we will do it on camera for you guys to show you. So right there. Okay. Now you want to do it on the other side. So just like that. Now you want to grab the other piece of metal and you want to anchor it on the angle of the graphic card, right there. And as you can see, these screw holes will be exactly there. Now we can screw them in. Just like that. So at this point you just mount your graphic card as it was before, and you will see that basically they are perfectly aligned there, just like that. So the only thing you have to pay attention to is that the graphic card standoff has to be under the motherboard standoff right there, and then you can just use this screw that they give you, get it very tight, and you're done. Your GPU will no longer sag.